The overhead markup can be calculated by assuming a standard overhead rate of 15%. In this case, if the cost of the switchgear is $110,000, then the overhead markup is calculated as $110,000 multiplied by 15%, which equals $16,500. This represents the portion of the price increase attributed to covering the contractor's operational expenses like office space, administrative salaries, and other indirect costs associated with running the business. Next is the profit markup. Considering that the switchgear price is estimated to be 2 to 3 times its normal cost due to the emergency order and expedited delivery, a reasonable profit markup can be considered to be around 100%. Therefore, the profit markup is calculated as $110,000 multiplied by 100%, which equals $110,000. This markup is the additional amount the contractor is adding to the cost to generate a profit, accounting for the risk, effort, and urgency involved in fulfilling the emergency order. To calculate the total markup, we need to add the overhead markup and the profit markup together. So, $16,500, which is the overhead markup, plus $110,000, which is the profit markup, equals $126,500. This total markup of $126,500 represents the overall increase in cost above the normal price of the switchgear, encompassing both the overhead expenses and the profit margin for the contractor. In conclusion, in this scenario, the overhead and profit markup on the emergency ordered switchgear is approximately $126,500. To determine the percentage of the normal cost, we divide the total markup by the original switchgear cost, then multiply by 100. The markup is approximately 114% of the normal cost of the switchgear. This substantial markup reflects the premium charged for expedited delivery, the increased manufacturing costs associated with stopping normal operations, and the contractor's profit margin for handling the emergency situation.